Welcome back to another video of the exercise discussion of the chapter Suvira. Now we will discuss the reference to context questions. Third number, a bit. What did the narrator mean by the phrase upside down? The phrase "turned upside down" means that the narrator's normal life was disrupted as the family had to leave the place where they had lived for many years and start everything new. The narrator is talking about the disorder they had to face while trying to settle into a new life in a new place without all the luxuries that they had earlier. B number, why had such a situation arisen? Such a situation had arisen because the narrator's father had resigned from his job suddenly and decided to change tracks in career. C number, what were the problems faced by the narrator due to her changed circumstances? The narrator had to face many problems due to changed circumstances. She had to change cities and schools mid-term. She had to say goodbye to old friends and make new ones. She could also not afford the luxuries that she had grown used to and had taken for granted. She had to be careful about not adding to the pressure her parents were facing. Now see the fourth number question, first bit. What does the expression shake up mean? The expression shake up means to get rid of something. B number, what disaster was the narrator referring to? The narrator was referring to the disaster of losing the 800-meter race because Suvira appeared to be tough competition and the narrator was new to the place and had little support. C number, how did the narrator try to shake off the feeling? She told herself that she had won the 800-meter race a couple of times in Calcutta and that there was no guarantee that Suvira was better than her. Fifth number question, first bit. When did this thought strike the narrator? This thought struck the narrator when she and Suvira ran together, step for step, stride for stride, very close to the finishing line. She thought that she would put her old spikes on the victory stand this time, past the flashy new spikes that Suvira had. B number, to what did the narrator compare her opponent's shoes? The narrator compared her opponent's shoes to an untamable wild animal that was springing forward. C number. What was striking about the opponent's shoes? The striking thing about the opponent's shoes was that they were flashy new shoes with glistening sharp spikes. Now we will discuss read, reflect and write questions. 6 number. What was the cloud that the narrator was referring to and what was she hoping for? The answer is the narrator was referring to the changed circumstances caused by her father resigning from his job. The family had to leave the place where they had lived for many years and start everything new. They had the challenge of settling into a new place without all the luxuries they had earlier. The narrator had to make new friends and settle in a new school. She hoped that this change would turn out to be beneficial for her and her family. 7 number. In your opinion, did Suvira's new shoes play any role in the outcome of the race? No. Suvira's new shoes only helped the narrator to build more confidence in herself as she kept telling herself that Her shoes had helped her to win a couple of races earlier and that they would not let her down this time if she put her mind to win. Number 8. Do you think both the winners were happy with the outcome? What makes you think so? We know that both the winners were happy with the outcome of the race as Suvira congratulated the narrator on her winning and the two of them then joined hands to celebrate the win. Question number 9. According to you, was it right of the crowd to support only Suvira? Give a reason for your answer. It was not right of the crowd to support only Suvira as it made the narrator nervous. But the crowd cannot be blamed for it as the narrator was a newcomer and no one knew her. Question number 10. Winning and losing are two sides of the same coin. Explain how playing a game is more important than winning or losing. One cannot always be a winner. Somebody has to lose. However, losing should not stop one from taking part in a game. Irrespective of winning and losing, participation teaches one a lot of team spirit, respecting rules, making friends, and so on. It also teaches one to accept failure in life.